Hey everybody, Mike, Pine Belt Relics. I'm by myself today. I ain't got the Zacchaeus with me. I've got the week off. Figured I'd come out here to the ridge and do some digging. But I do have a little helper with me today. Benjamin, say hello.
Hey.
Got my little buddy Benjamin with me. Well folks, we've been out here for a little while digging, moved a lot of dirt. And today's March 13th, by the way, 2018. Pulling some chunks out. I just found this broke. Back up a little bit, baby. Don't touch it. Don't touch it yet. He is dying to get that one out of the wall I just hit. But I just found this broken half. And I've got something here in the wall that I just pinged. And it could be really nice. Let's get down here and check it out. You see how deep I am. There's my surface. Come on down. About a foot and a half. All right, buddy. Daddy's gonna let you pull it out. Go ahead. Nice and slow. Oh, let me see it. Let Daddy see it. Oh, my goodness. Daddy needed that. Look at that, people. Can you go get Daddy that water bottle? Yeah. Man, I needed a smoker. I don't have the horseshoe like Zach's got. All right, spray it for Daddy, buddy. Spray it hard. All right, well, anyways, y'all can see how nice that is. Like I said, I moved a lot of dirt to find this one, but I'd move it all day to find something like this. All right, people, if I find anything else, I'll get back with you. We got a little while left. Thank y'all for watching. Later. All right, folks, March 16th, 2018. Mike and Zach out here on the ridge. 90% chance of rain today, so of course we had to come. Zach has pinged up on something here in his hole. All right. Right down there in the wall, I see it sticking out. Let's see what you got. Come on, baby. Oh. What in the... Oh, that's a beautiful knife.
Pretty rock.
That is pretty rock, man. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Ooh, I like your spot right here. Horseshoe kicking in early, people.
That's right.
All right. Folks, we're going to keep at it. Anything else, we'll get back. Thanks. All right, folks. Right back with you with Zacchaeus. He has rolled something out, and it looks nice. Oh, trying to keep my phone dry, folks. All right. Oh, my goodness.
We'll have to do a cleanup. It's a muddy mess out here.
That's sweet. Beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Still in them, people. Let me see the kill shot real quick. Oh, that's nice. All right, folks, we'll get back. Thanks. Y'all know what that face means. He's got another one down here. Let's see if I can get down close. Laying right there, rolled out. All right, do it to it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes. Look at that. Gotta love it. Beautiful, son.
Thank you, sir.
Good job, brother. Yes, sir. All right, people. We'll show you on the cleanup. Later. Okay, people. Magic Zach. Looks like he's got an edge. We're not sure yet, but we're going to find out together. Go ahead, son.
Oh, big tip.
Ooh, golly.
I thought it was something.
That is a big old tip, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
Darn. Maybe the rest of it's in there.
Fix to find out.
All right, folks, we'll get back. All right, folks. I just rolled something up here on my, towards my shovel. Got something laying right down there. Looks like maybe a knife or a preform. See what we got. Yeah. Probably a preform or something. All right. We're still finding some stuff. We'll get back. All right, folks. Zach's up on another one here. Just rolled something out of the wall. Let's see what you got. Oh. Oh, come on. Dang it. Come on, Tip.
Yep.
All right. Hey, that just means that you're still in the point, son.
Yep.
All right, folks, we'll get back. All right, people. I just come up on something, and I don't know if it's a point or what, it could be a faker flake or whatever, but I'm gonna let y'all watch just in case.
Oh yeah. Heck yeah.
That is a point.
You're dang right, that's the point.
Can you grab that water bottle from me, please?
Oh, we're gonna spray yours, but not mine, huh?
Yours, somehow yours was dry. It's right there under that thing. Sorry. Dadgummit, I got my... Well, I'll be darned.
There you go.
Even a blind hog can find an acorn every now
Is
and
that
then.
an inclusion on the other side, or what is that, just dirt? Oh, just dirt, I guess.
Ain't the prettiest thing in the world, but hey, it's a point, and I am on the board. All right, folks.
Oh boy.
We'll get back. All right, everybody. Zach and I have called it a day. We're soaked to the bone. We're waterlogged. Barely made it out of there. But we got out back to the house, got them cleaned up. We want to show you what we found. This is everything that we ended up pulling out today. So a fairly good day. We'll start down here. This is that first one. That first knife or scraper Zach pulled out. Man, that thing cleaned up real pretty. And then he's got another scraper here. Zach, that's actually prettier than I thought it was.
Yeah.
And there's some of that beautiful red. We don't know. This one could have been busted off, or you never know with some of these tools, though. Of course, a couple broken tips. Now, y'all saw that one Zach found. You did not see that little half there that he found a little later on. But y'all did see that killer. Look at that thing. The horseshoe still working. I gotta say it. I gotta reference it. You know I do. That was Zach's as well. And then there's my little point, my preform or knife, whatever you want to call it. And then another pretty scraper. It's actually real nice. Really good bit on this side. And another little tool of some sort. And this here, all we can figure is they like to play hockey. Looks like a hockey puck. That's a joke for all you folks that don't know my sense of humor yet. But it was just strange. This flat got them weird lines through it. Could be natural, but you never know. Right there in the same hole with all these arrowheads. So we thought it was kind of cool. We figured we'd show you guys. All right, everybody, one more time. There's the haul for today. All right, folks, we appreciate you watching, subscribing. Y'all give us a thumbs up. Tell us what you think. Say hello to us. We appreciate all you guys. Hope all of you are doing great. Finding them smokers as always. God bless y'all. We'll see y'all next time.